All right, got the dress, got the shoes, got my swimsuit. I think I'm all set. Oh, I don't even have any of my hair products packed, nothing. I bet Dev got space in his bag. Dev!
Let me guess. You ran out of space.
Right now is not the time. Do you have any space in your bag?
Ash, we're only going for 3 days. Like, what you need to bring?
You know I need my hair products. I'm gonna need to do a fresh wash and go right when I get off the plane.
You do this every time, Ashley. You know I don't have no room. But look, luckily I stopped by Dollar General to pick up these Main Choice products. Now I know you can fit this in your bag.
Aw, thank you, Dev. You know I love the Main Choice. I could definitely fit these in my bag, and I got my shampoo, my conditioner, my leave-in, and my gel. I could definitely do a bomb wash and go with this. You think I have time to style my hair before we leave?
Not really. We gotta be there. But if you can do it in 30 minutes, we can possibly make it on time.
30 minutes?
That's it.
I could do it.
Alright, so I have no time to waste, so the first thing I'm going to do is cleanse. I'll be using the Main Choice Easy on Curls Detangling Hydration Shampoo, which is a non-stripping formula that removes tangles and allows me to cut my wash day in half. Next, for conditioner, I'll be using the Main Choice Easy on Curls Detangling Hydration Conditioner to add some extra moisture to my hair. This is a super hydrating conditioner with lots of slip, so I'm able to quickly detangle my hair without a comb. Alright, my hair is all cleansed, conditioned, and hydrated, so now let's style. I'll be styling my hair in sections, and the first product that I'll be using is one of my favorites, and it is the Main Choice's 3-in-1 Revitalize and Refresh Conditioner. It's super moisturizing and so slippery. Now, taking the Main Choice Crystal Orchid Gel, I'm simply going to rake that through my hair from roots to ends, ensuring that my hair is nice, detangled, and defined. And as needed, I'm just going to mist some water onto each section and then proceed with the Main Choice 3-in-1 Conditioner from roots to ends. And then I'm going to follow that up with the Orchid Gel for max definition. Then I'm just going to repeat these steps until I'm done with all of my hair. Now, to speed the process up, I'm just going to diffuse my hair until it's 100% dry. When my hair is 100% dry, I apply a little bit of oil to my hands, and I use the praying hands method to break the gel cast and give my hair some fullness and volume. And then at the roots of my hair, I like to give it a little shake to add some extra volume.
Ash,
What?
I'm about to leave without you.
I'm almost done. I just gotta fluff my hair up and put on some makeup and I'll be done.
When I'm done adding a few touches of makeup, I'm good to go. My curls are popping, they're nice and hydrated, and I'm ready to go on vacation. Be sure to check out your local Dollar General stores for conveniently sized products by the Main Choice. You can also find the Main Choice products at your local Walmart and www.themainchoice.com as well. Also, follow the Main Choice on social media at The Main Choice for the latest Main Choice news. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.